This is day 17 of building a brand with $500 and a dream. It is Sunday again and I had a pretty chill day, starting with a hike at Bull Creek. I find that hanging out in nature is a good way to plan and think about life. What do I want to grow this brand into? What do I want to do with my limited time on Earth? What brings me happiness? I finished the day by going to my friend's sister's wedding. It was pretty dope. I brought the earplugs, which work well in this noisy environment. Overall, I had a great weekend and got to test out my earplugs. I'm confident about their ability to perform in different environments and will be placing a bulk order this week. Like and follow for day 18.